You can upload and manage your own contents inside of VistaCreate to use them with VistaCreate projects. So to do that, you need to go around over here onto the upload section on the left side. And over here, you can see that you have the purchase section where you will find items that you purchased. But if you want to upload out your own files, then you need to click on upload image or video from over here. Once you do that, you can go around and navigate to the drive where you have your files right here. Let's say I want to upload out the TutorTube logo right here, the image, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and click on open, and what happens is that image file will be uploaded and it'll show up right here. So I'm just going to go around and press got it right here, and you can see that there's this logo right here, the image file. So I can go around and then work around with this, and I have access to this whenever I want now. Let me just delete this and then open out, let's say, another media. So I'm just going to go around over here and select out videos over here and select out this file and open this out. And you can see that the video file is being uploaded over here for you to use. You can go around over here and you can see that you have an option to add a new folder. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say my contents right here, just like this, and press OK. And you can see that this is contents right here. You can go around and manage out the folder. So you can see that this is what you have right here. If you were to go inside of the content, then you can see that there's nothing right now. But if I were to click on upload image button right here, you can go around and upload out your own content over there as well. So you can go around over here and then go inside of the content right here, and you can see that you have your own content. You can go around over here, click on upload, and then upload out your own content according to how you like right here. Press open and the content will be uploaded right there. So on the main folder, you can see that I got certain contents, and inside of my contents right here, then you can see that there are certain contents right here, and that is how you can go around and manage it out. So you can go around onto manage as well, and over here you can see that you can filter out everything. Like you can see all, you can only see the photos, only see the videos right here. And you can also go around onto my content right here and upload out images from over here as well. So you can see that this is the file right here, and you can select this just like this. And then what you can do is you can go around and then delete this out if you want to as well. Or you can add to design as well by clicking on add to design. And that is how you can upload and manage your own contents inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.